Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this cute little bag charms or keychains looking like this bag. So for making this I have used 4-ply acrylic yarn or fingering weight yarn. So this is the label of the yarn which I have used. It is 100% acrylic and 4-ply. And crochet hook I have used a 2.5mm for this project, and you will need a keyring, beads and this flat star sequin. So this is a very simple and fun project, so let's get started. First we are going to make a slip knot. So make a loop, bring the yarn under the loop and pull it through the top like this. So that's our slip knot. Now we will insert our hook inside and tighten it, and then we are going to chain 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we have 11 chains in total. So now we are going to skip this first chain right here. So here skip the first chain and we will work from the second chain. So make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook like this. That's our single crochet. So let's make single crochet into each chain in this row. So one single crochet, again one single crochet in the next chain, again single crochet in the next one, single crochet, again single crochet in the next chain. So like this, continue making one single crochet into each chain in this row. Single crochet and single crochet. So here we are at the end, we have one chain left. So in this last chain we will work 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. So we have worked 3 single crochets. Then we are going to work in this other side here. So you can see the other stitches here on the other side. So let's work one single crochet into the next 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And into this last chain we already have one single crochet. So we are going to work 2 more single crochet, which makes 3. So 1 and 2. So that's it for the first round. Now we are going to make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet here. So make a slip stitch on top of your first single crochet and finish this round. So if you can't find your single crochet, just place a marker when you start. So for the next round, chain 1 and work one single crochet into the same stitch. Then 2, 3. So like this we will work one single crochet into every stitch. 4, 5 single crochet, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and our final stitch 22. So we have made 22 single crochets in this second row. So we are going to finish this by making a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. So here's our first single crochet. So I'm going to make a slip stitch right into it. It's our slip stitch. So we have 22 single crochets in total. So for the next round we are going to repeat exactly the same as the last round. We will work 1 single crochet into every stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So we again made 22 single crochets. Then we'll make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet here. So insert your hook into the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. So we have finished 22 single crochet. So here you can see it's taking the shape of our bag. So we have 3 rows here. So we are going to work 22 single crochet in each row until we complete 11 rows. So I'm going to complete all the 11 rows of single crochet. So here I have finished 11 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have finished 11 rows. Then we will continue with round 12. So for round 12, chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch, then work 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, then we are going to work the handle for our bag. So chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we are going to skip the next 2 stitches. 1, 2 and single crochet in the third stitch like this. Then work 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we are going to work the other handle. So chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then again we are going to skip next 2 stitches, 1, 2, then single crochet into the next stitch. So that's 1, then single crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the last stitch. So that makes 5 single crochets. So we already have 4 single crochets in the beginning. So slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. So that's our handle, you can see here. So we are going to work one more row. So the last round we are going to chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch, then work 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then we have 7 chains. We are going to work 1 single crochet in every chain. So we will work 7 single crochets in the handle. Here's the first chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So last chain. 7. Then we are going to work 1 single crochet into the next 9 stitches. So here's our first stitch where we joined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we are again going to work 7 single crochets on this handle. It is 1 single crochet into each chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then we will work 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slip stitch on top of the first single crochet that we made. So make a slip stitch, then chain 1. I'm going to leave a long yarn tail and cut off the yarn. Then pull this yarn through, tighten it up, and we are going to use this yarn tail to attach this bag to our key ring and beads. So that's our cute little bag. So I'm going to use this yarn tail. So I have threaded this yarn tail like this and have taken beads and a key ring. So I'm going to add the beads. I'm taken white bead, then red and white. So drop it to the bottom like this. Then pass it through the key ring like this. And we are going to pass the needle one more time through all the beads. We'll pass it like this and pull the yarn through the other side. So now we have passed through all the beads and the ring. Now I'm going to make a nice knot in here and secure everything. So here pass your needle and make a couple of knots. So one knot and make another one. So that's 2 knots. Now I'm going to pass this yarn tail through some stitches and hide it. So open the bag and pass it through few stitches like this. Pull the yarn through. So here stretch your bag a little bit like this, and we will cut off this yarn. Gently pull the yarn and carefully cut it off. So here I have attached our cute little bag with the key ring. Then we are going to fix the sequin in here like this. We are going to add it. So I have taken this star sequin. I'm going to use a glue gun to fix this here. So apply some glue to the center and fix the star in the correct way you want it to be. So here I have fixed the star in a cute little bag. So that's it, our pretty little bag charm is now ready. So I hope you guys like this video tutorial. So hit the like button, leave a comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.